Oh, wow. I'm gonna have to go back to the front of this video and say, watch to the end. That is it. It's that time of year again. Pumpkin spice a-flowing. Today we're gonna be doing Keto Pumpkin Spice Lattes. Just letting you know ahead of time, it's still 100 degrees in Texas out here, but I put on my long sleeve shirt just to make it feel like it's fall. Side note, this is a 3X shirt, okay? Keto works, because look, yeah, but I wanted to put my 3X shirt on to make me feel better. Also, this isn't going to be just like the normal recipe videos that I do. I have nothing prepared. I just thought, let's make it more fun, right? All right, this recipe comes from wholesomeyum.com. I don't know how it is yet. I haven't tried it, y'all. But I did want to look for a recipe that did not take time on the stove and all that. So fortunately, this is microwave, so that's good. And I wanted the recipe to have the ingredients that most of you guys would have. I don't even have the milk or heavy whipping cream, nothing. Grabbing all this stuff. Good thing I bought some heavy whipping cream because the other one expired in July. Nasty. It's telling you to use a 12-ounce mug. I don't have those. I don't drink coffee. We're going to have to use a frother anyway in there. Okay, so this does use espresso in there. I don't drink espresso. Once again, no coffee. So I have some of this that I used for my keto Oreos. If you haven't tried the keto Oreos that I made, my goodness, try them. Anyway, just going to use some instant powder for the espresso. Matter of fact, I'm going to start with that. This recipe calls for a half a cup of brewed strong coffee or a fourth of a cup of espresso. Let's see. I don't know what I'm doing here. How many tablespoons in a fourth of a cup?
0.25 cups is 4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon. All right, got my fourth of a cup of hot water to 1 tablespoon of espresso powder. I don't have a spoon. Mix this up right quick. Whew, that'll wake you up. Come on. Well, all right, 3/4 of a cup. Unsweet. What's up with these caps? Ugh. 2 tablespoons heavy whipping cream. And y'all, I made this mistake the other day. You don't want to get the pumpkin pie mix because that's got all sorts of sugars in there. Just get the one that says solid pack pumpkin. I got the cheap brand. It just says pumpkin for ingredients. 2 tablespoons. I read in the reviews that some people didn't really taste pumpkin flavor, so I'm going to add just a little bit extra. Okay, this recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of what she has as an allulose blend, but I don't have that. I just have Swerve. I know some of you guys don't like the cooling effect on it, but if you have this and you don't want the cooling effect, do a little drop or 2 of liquid stevia. That'll solve that. She also doesn't say whether it's grated or not, so I'm doing the powdered version. 2 teaspoons. Pumpkin pie spice, 1/4 of a teaspoon. She also says if you don't really notice too much of a taste, add a little bit extra. So I'm just putting a heaping 1/4 of a teaspoon in there. 1/4 of a teaspoon vanilla. Okay, she doesn't have you add the vanilla, but I did. All right, I'm going to stir this up with a fork. I don't know why. Microwave 45 to 60 seconds. Y'all, I don't have fancy coffee jugs or anything, so I'm using this cute little martini glass my sister got me for Christmas. Okay, you need a milk frother. You can buy these off of Amazon. Technically, I guess you don't need it, but it blends stuff pretty good. And this is the part where you use the vanilla. All right, got my little fancy cup here. Gonna add the pumpkin mixture. It's frothy. Here's my problem. I need to add this. Right. Boy, that does smell good. Stirring it. I got all fancy. Got me a little cinnamon stick too. Put some sugar-free whipped cream on there. Some pumpkin pie spice. Well, let's go ahead and try this, shall we? Woo! That's some espresso right there. I'm going to say definitely add more sweetener if you want it to be sweeter. I'm a very much a sweet sort of person. I will definitely say that you really need to add more pumpkin to it. You know what? I wonder if I blend that whipped cream in there. Let's see how that does. Oh yeah, that's better. Let me add some more sweetener. I'm gonna try pure. I tell you what, this pure stuff is just like sugar, but it's erythritol and stevia. That was about a hefty teaspoon. A mess. You should see it down here. A mess. Let me try this. Oh, wow. That is it. That's so good. Okay, now I'm all excited all over again. So hopefully y'all watch to the end, because that other one, if you're a total coffee drinker, that'd be right up your alley. But for me, I'm more like a dessert coffee sort of thing, and that is it. If you were searching for pumpkin spice frappuccino, I have a recipe for that too, in the same cup. I'll put that up here. Y'all, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell. I'll see you guys next time.